What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Curtis, and today we're out here on the way home from Sand Hollow, Utah, and we're just kind of hanging out in the camper right now. We just got to the edge of the Grand Canyon. This is an absolutely beautiful spot, and I'm just kind of relaxing, editing some video for you guys, and just waiting for the sun to go down. I absolutely got sunburnt, so I need to be out of the sun. I took the awning off because it needed to be a little more lightweight out there in the Sand Hollow trails. So I'm just kind of hunkering down in the camper, waiting for the sun to go down a little bit more, and then I'll hop out and make dinner and show you guys the Grand Canyon. I've only been here one time as a kid, and it was a tourist area. This is so much better when you're it's more peace and quiet out here by myself, just kind of listening to the Colorado River go. And just it's so crazy how big the Grand Canyon is. It's completely flat and then just huge canyon. You would never even notice, but it's gorgeous. So we're just hanging out right now, and I'll talk to you guys when I'm making dinner. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna hop up in the camper. It's starting to get really windy out here and I'm getting blown away. So I'm gonna make myself some dinner, but I'm just kind of sitting out here enjoying the beautiful sunset. And I hope it's not too windy on the mic, but it is really windy out here right now. Beautiful sunset on the Grand Canyon. You got the moon shining right there. The sun setting over there. And then I'm just kind of watching the Colorado River flow. And it's crazy when you think of it as like, this used to be all water. You know what I mean? Like, this is just a natural erosion, and like, this used to be all water, and now there's like nothing left. It's kind of sad, but yeah, I'm gonna hop up in the camper and kind of hunker away from the wind. It might have been a bad idea parking on the edge, but yeah, I gotta, right? All right, everybody, it's time for dinner tonight. Nothing crazy, because I didn't want to go to the grocery store or nothing. Just another Mountain House meal. Chicken and fried rice. We're gonna do that in the water boiler from Iceco, but I don't even know if I have the cable, so that kind of sucks. I didn't even think of it. Oh, I'm in luck. I'm in luck. So yeah, I'm just gonna make this tonight, because I don't really want to cook anything. And yeah, we're just going to eat this tonight. But let's fill her up with water, get her boiling, and then have some dinner. But chilling in the camper is so nice, especially super windy outside. Just hanging out. I've been kind of just laying on the ground, and then using this as like a little bench. I do kind of lay up here too when I'm trying to relax also. Put the cushions down, I lay down on there. But yeah, it's very nice, I would have to say. I love it. Never get a rooftop tent or bed rack ever again in my life. Because it's just so nice and convenient. But yeah, we're gonna make some Mountain House. It is a chicken fried rice one. Probably tastes bad, but something. It's got some 26 grams of protein, and we're gonna have that with a couple of beers. And I'm sure I'll be full by then, so I'll catch up with you guys when I'm actually making some food and eating. All right, we got the water boiling now. Now we're gonna dump it in there. Take your little thingy out of here. Take your little thingy out, and I'm just gonna pour it up. I kind of like mine a little crunchy though, so a little bit more. Okay. Get you when that's done. All right, guys. So this chicken fried rice, not bad. That's pretty good. Not bad at all, really. It's a little dry. It's kind of weird, but not bad. It took me like 5 minutes to make. I got no dishes. I'll take it. But I think after dinner, I'm just going to go hop up in the camper upstairs and probably go to bed, because I've been getting up early every day for like 5 days, staying up late, and I'm going to try to hit the road early tomorrow, maybe sunset time, so I can get home. So I got work tomorrow, sadly, so yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the morning. Good morning, everybody. We slept dang good up here in the GFC with the Hess Dually 50 platform mattress. Definitely recommend Hess mattresses. I have a discount code if you guys want to use it, but love it. I always sleep so good with the Hess mattress. And it got windy last night. I thought my Starlink was about to fall off the mount up there, but thankfully I had enough Zen points to get some Apple AirPod Pro 2s, so I put those bad boys in last night to kind of use it as like a earplugs, and slept pretty dang good. It got pretty windy last night though. Still is a little windy, but I mean, I am on the edge of the Grand Canyon, so that's probably why, you know. But and I'm like on the edge of this cliff, so like this is like how I got to get in the truck. It's up to my titties. So yeah, we're gonna make some coffee this morning and then hit the road. It's been a fun one, but it is time to get back to reality. And yeah, I got like a 5-hour drive home, so it's not too bad, but I'm happy that I stopped halfway right here, because I don't like going 7 hours straight. It's just not fun for me. It's not fun at all whatsoever. Shoot. I gotta go get a paper filter for this. Alright, I got the paper filter here. Yeah, overall it was a great trip. Sand Hollow was a blast. I think that's where... Well, I think that's where I'm gonna have my bachelor party out in Utah. That'd be a fun time, just wheeling and get a little Airbnb. That is my style right there. So it was a fun time, but definitely want to go back for sure. It's always a blast out there with the DV8 boys. They always show me a good time. We have a fun time wheeling. Shout out to Corbin for filming, taking some sick photos. Yeah, I can't wait to go back, but gotta go to work tomorrow. So, but for breakfast, all we got is coffee some leftover chocolate chip muffins from the Airbnb. So that's all we got, but it'll be fine. But yeah, I'm just gonna drink my coffee and enjoy the morning. Absolutely gorgeous, and then pack up, start driving home. So catch up with you guys whenever I'm all packed up, ready to rip. All right, everybody, that is the end of my trip. I am at the last gate before I hit the main road and hit the highway. So I wanted to thank you guys for watching. It's been a blast out here in Utah in Grand Canyon. It was so much fun. This was probably one of the best trips, solo trips I've had. Just gorgeous, bunch of fun off-roading. I got to drink a beer on the Grand Canyon. Not a lot of people get to do that, and it was a fun time. And I didn't get eaten alive by a skinwalker, so that's awesome. But that's about it for this week's video, guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the hype button. It really helps small creators like me. And if you like this type of content, make sure to subscribe. I do this stuff every week. Every week I got a new video for you guys. But I love you guys so much. Appreciate it. Take it easy. Bye.